Good day, and for this one, I'm going to discuss about discount. Okay. Discount on a negotiable paper is the difference between the present worth, which is the amount received for the paper in cash, and the future worth of the paper at some point in the future, or we call it the face value of the paper or principal. The discount is interest paid in advance. So, I'm going to explain later na ang discount pwede siya i-consider na interest. No? Depende sa uh, on how you analyze the problem. The rate of discount is the discount on 1 unit of principal for the 1 unit of time. So, if you have this cash flow, 1 unit sa kwan, ang discount daw is similar ano no. Kung nanakay piso, 1 peso, and then i-project nimo sa period 0 is 1 plus I raised to negative 1. Naman sa kwan, sa compound interest bitaw na. Given ng F, if you want to solve for P, F is equal to P times 1 plus I raised to negative N. Pero you only have one period. So, ang exponent niya is negative 1. So, wala na siya ang D. Sa definition, the difference daw between the present worth and the future worth. And it's obvious na future worth is bigger than the present worth. So, a discount is the difference of F and P. Ano? So, to simplify, this is D, and if you want to solve for I, in terms of D, you can simplify this one. You place this one sa denominator and then simplify. You will get this expression of I. D over 1 minus D. Okay. Where D is the rate of discount for the period involved, while ang I is the rate of interest for the same period. Okay. Ang I for the whole year is different ani na I. No? The symbol is the same, pero if this I is used sa discount, then kani siya nga I is for the same period sa discount. Like kung specific lang, number of days or number of months lang, kana siya na rate of interest is for that specific period also. It's different sa I for the whole year. Lahi siya. Okay, so let us solve a sample problem. A man borrowed 5,000 from a bank and agreed to pay the loan at the end of 9 months. The bank discounted the loan and gave him 4,000 pesos in cash. Okay. What was the rate of discount? Letter B, what was the rate of interest? And letter C, what was the rate of interest for 1 year? Okay. So, practical nga analysis 4,000 now and 5,000 sa 5,000 9 months from now. So, makaniyo ni mo siya ba? Kung imo ni siyang bayaran after 9 months, 5,000 Pero kung bayaran nimo ni karon 4,000 na lang. So therefore, maka-discount ka og 1,000. Kung ingon na nga pagka-explain ba na. Kung after 9 months pa ka mabayad, 5,000 Pero kung bayaran nimo ni siya karon 4,000 ra na siya. So tagaan ka nag-discount na 1,000. Pero kung balihon na to, nga ingon na ni sa pag-explain na 4,000 ra ni siya, kung bayaran nimo karon na 4,000 ra ni. Pero kung after 9 months pa nimo sa bayaran, mahimo na ni siyang 5,000. So, ni interest o 1,000. Okay. Karon man ang basis na kung karon ka mabayad, 4,000 ra. Pero kung after 9 months pa nimo sa bayaran, mahimo na siyang 5,000. So, na-interest na siya o 1,000. I-compare sa previous na ko ang istorya na kung 9 months ni siya bayaran, 5,000 ni siya. Pero kung karoon ka mabayad, 4,000 na eh. So, na 1,000 na discount. Oo, yan. So, instead na discount, interest. Okay. So, siya. Kung mag-look at cash flow, after 9 months, 5,000. Pero karon 4,000 lang. And kung ato siyang i-fit sa katong 1 peso, pwede ra. I-divide na nato niyo 5,000, 1 na lang dyan. No? And then divide siya sa 1,000, 0.8 na lang. So, ano siya ang simplified na diagram. You have 1 peso, 0.8 na. I-divide naman ng 5,000, 5,000.8. So, ang pagkuha sa discount, ano raman? D is equal to discount divided by principal. Okay. So, kana 1,000 over 5,000. Kaya ang principal nga yung giborrow nimo is actually 5,000 man. No? Pero, ang interest niya, gikuha na daan. Ang discount niya, the bank discounted the loan and gave him 4,000. So, bali, ang interest na 1,000, gididak na daan in advance. So, instead na 5,000 imong makuha, 4,000 na lang. Yan. Okay, discount is interest paid in advance, man. So, discount is 1,000 divided by 1,000, that's 0.2 or 20%. Another solution is, kini, no? Discount. Mama yung discount, no? Future worth minus present worth, di ba? Okay, future minus present. Future minus present. So, piso minus 0.8, that's 0.2 or 20%. Okay, so, it depends on you kung saan mo gamitin pagkuha sa discount. Either kini or this one. Same result. Letter B. Letter B is what was the rate of interest for 9 months. Kaya ang letter C, kay rate of interest for 1 year man. So, nanakay D, you can now solve for I. I is D over 1 minus B. This one, and the answer is 25%. Another solution is, kini. So, itong interest na gikuha na instead na 5,000, gikuhaan siya o interest na 1,000 daan, 4,000 rin na receive. So, 1,000. Present worth, katong naldawat nyo kini, 4,000. Present worth. And the answer is 25%. And then letter C, for the whole year, okay, kini lang, simple interest. Okay, ang interest is 1,000, present worth 4,000. N is 9 months divided by 12, and you can solve for I. And I is 33.33%. So, inana ang sa discount. Another one. A man borrowed 2,000 pesos from a bank and promises to pay the amount for 1 year. He received only the amount of 1,920 pesos after the bank collected an advance interest of 80 pesos. What was the rate of discount and the rate of interest that the bank collected in advance? So, kung magdota cash flow, instead na magbaro sa og 2,000 for 1 year, for 1 year, 2,000, ang na-receive niya is only 1,920. Okay, ang interest gididak na daan in advance kini 80. So, again, i-convert na nimo to 1 peso, so i-divide nimo 2,000 as well as this. Ano ang result? Piso divided by 2,000, that's 0.96. So, ang pagkuha sa discount, discount over principal, that's 80 over 2,000. And the answer is 0.04 or 4%. And another solution, kanino? Piso minus 0.96, mas 0.04 or 4%. And then ang I na yun, rate of discount, rate of interest, kini na formula. D over 1 minus D. And the answer is 4.1667. Okay. So, kini na diagram, this will help para mas dali magkuha sa discount. No? You can just subtract this one, F minus P. Thank you for watching.